What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about winter wear haul 2021 of jackets starting from 550 rupees. Having said that, I picked all of these options from Flipkart, which is India ka fashion capital by the way, and most of the options for the winter wear in specific you can get from 40 to 80% off, and for sweatshirts, hoodies and jackets in specific you can find them from 40 to 60% off. You are covered with the national as well as the international brand. You are covered with lots and lots of choices when it comes to the clothing. And number 2, this is the best value for money platform with more than 10 lakh plus styles to choose from, starting from 199 rupees, and not to forget the latest hand-picked selection from the influencers that's gonna be refreshed on a weekly basis. And the delivery has been super quick, in less than 48 hours in few of the instances. All of the products which I picked for this haul, they are Flipkart issued and they go through 6 quality checks, and you are covered with easy returns and exchanges. Having said that, let's get started with the jacket number 1. I can call this one a hybrid between the biker jacket as well as the sweatshirt, because it comes with a sweatshirt material and the shape and overall construction, the cue has been taken from the biker jacket shape. And that's the one which I'm wearing from start of this video. And in specific to this jacket, it is a black color Highlander full sleeve sweatshirt that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 3,300 rupees, but on Flipkart you can find winter wear discounted from 60 to 80% off. And I got this at a crazy price point of 649 rupees after 80% off. So what exactly I liked? Of course the color, and number 2, the construction of the jacket. I really love the construction of the biker jacket, the shape, the lapels you get here, and overall the zippers. But generally most of the brands, they do offer biker jackets in leather. The place where I'm living in, practically it's not possible to wear leather jackets. So these kind of jackets in the material, this material being cotton, this sweatshirt material, this is perfectly suited for the winters. You can use this from light to moderate winters, not anything more than that. For moderate winters, make sure that you use a sweater or a mock neck under this as a base layer so that you can get optimum warmth. Now let's talk about the overall fit and length. I got this jacket in a size of medium and it fits really well, and the elasticity at the cuffs is also great. They can retain the elasticity as I can see. I'm not sure how well it fares with time, but as of now it looks good. In terms of the overall length, it really ends well, just below the waist, not more than that. For jackets, that's an important factor I would consider. I do not have any disqualifiers for this jacket. It's one of my favorite. If you want to invest in puffer jackets for moderate winters, you want to be stylish, you want the color blocking trend going on, but still want that to be subtle, this is the jacket for you. It's a color blocked, full sleeve, hooded puffer jacket from a brand called HRX. This one I got it in a size of medium. I really love this jacket because of its color blocking and how stylish it can look, but being subtle. The 2 colors they have gone for are the beige color as well as the olive green color. Here you have the hood in the beige color. The majority of the jacket you can see beige color, but it has been color blocked in minor proportions with the olive green color. Both of these colors can go really well. This puffer jacket, it's cozy, it's comfortable, and it is pretty much suitable for the moderate winters, not exactly for the light winters. It is made of polyester and seems really high quality. Coming to the price point, it is priced at 5,000 rupees. Not any means budget friendly jacket. But on Flipkart, you can get this at a price point of close to 1,500 rupees when I shopped. Please do note that the prices may vary depending on the size you pick and depending on when you are shopping. This one I got it for a price point of 1,500. And the next thing which I liked in this jacket are the huge double-sided chest pockets. And these are also color blocked, with the majority of the proportion being the beige color and the minor proportion at the middle of the pocket being the olive green color. I really like the vibe you're getting with this sporty kind of a puffer jacket, and they are aligned with the zippers in the olive green color on both sides. Overall, it's a high quality puffer jacket. Moving on to the jacket number 3, and it's one of your favorite, let's say, classic bomber jacket, but I got that in a quilted form. It is a tan brown color, or rather I can say a burnt orange color bomber jacket from Jack & Jones that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 4,000 rupees, but on Flipkart I got a 60% off on this one, bringing down the price points close to 1,500 rupees. This color, even though it's listed as a tan brown, it is somewhere close to the burnt orange. I feel that this jacket is mostly suited somewhere in between the light to moderate winters, not exactly to the moderate winters. It is not as thick as the puffer jacket. It is also made of polyester, and do I need to discuss the quality Jack & Jones provide? They do provide really great options, and they have the color coordination going on everywhere, even inside at the pocket area as well. And inside also it is made of polyester. It feels really cozy and comfortable with this bomber jacket. You do get the vibe of bomber jacket, and you do get the practical utility purpose of keeping you warmth as well. You do have pockets on both sides, just like a normal bomber jacket. On one side of the sleeve, they have this rubbery kind of attachment with Jack & Jones logo on it. That's how simple it is. It is very subdued. Not only in this color, Jack & Jones do offer this kind of quilted jacket in multiple colorways like blue color, olive green color, burgundy color. Feel free to check out by clicking the link down below and search for the similar options. Moving on to the jacket number 4. It is a full sleeve multicolor printed wind cheater from HRX that is priced close to 3,800 rupees, but I got this at a price point of 1,200 rupees. It's a crazy price point for this one. I think there was some 70% off going on this wind cheater from HRX. For light winters or practical utility for sports, wind cheater is a must have, and I want that to be stylish as well. That's why I picked this one. It is made of polyester and it feels really premium even at a price point of close to 1,200 rupees. I can easily say that the color combination is in line with the puffer jacket. All of them are neutral colors if you can observe very closely. Here you have the beige color, olive green color, both of the earth tones, along with the white color going on, and on top of that this abstract kind of a print with the black color. So even though it might look cluttered, you are gonna look stylish. You will be easily able to mix and match with the neutral color lowers very easily because of the color combination they have used for, and they also have the hood just like a normal wind cheater, and the zipper is of very high quality, and also at the hem you do get this drawstring so that you can customize your fit. And also for the cuffs you do have this elastic bands to keep you warm and not let the wind go inside. Overall, I do not see any disqualifiers at all for the price point I got. They do have multiple color options as well. Don't forget to check out the similar options by clicking the link down below. Moving on to the last jacket for this video, but not the least. In fact, it is the best in terms of the value. In specific to the jacket, it is a yellow color full sleeve Highlander jacket that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 2,100 rupees. I got a crazy discount on this one, bringing down the price point to 583 rupees. This jacket from Highlander have the sporty vibe going on with the pockets on the front side as well as back side, and not to forget the attention to detail with the color coordinator zipper in the yellow color. And you might think it is made of polyester based on how it looks or based on the sporty vibe it have, but it is made of cotton blend. So it is something which I feel that it is a great option for the light winters. Highlander offers these kind of jackets in multiple color options. I wanted to make sure that I do have one pop color or a brighter color in my wardrobe when it comes to jackets, but I wanted to wear in my climatic condition, which are the light winters. They have aligned this hem of the jacket with the elastic band. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like the winter wear haul 2021 of jackets starting from 500 rupees. If you did so, don't forget to click the like down below, and it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. That's it from me. See you next time.